You know, the biggest challenge that online marketers are facing these days, it's not having to find the best strategy or content, but it's the insane and unfair limitations that big internet companies put on them. Wait until you hear what I'm talking about. Running ads from your ad account, a little mistake, and what happens? It gets banned. Then every account you create gets banned for no reason at all. I can't tell you how many times that has happened to us. Try leaving comments on blogs, banned. Posting in groups, limited. Finding leads on YouTube, banned. Twitter marketing, account canceled. LinkedIn outreach, banned again. Add to it the constant pain of having to log in and log out of multiple accounts. All the CAPTCHAs, the OTPs, and verifications, your time is being wasted on unnecessary details. Sad truth is that spammers and hackers find ways to circumvent every single limitation. But legitimate marketers like you and me, we are hassled every single step of the way. Now it's time to reclaim your internet marketing and free yourself from the grunt work and constant stress. It's time to get Logii, the multi-account, multi-login, secure browser for internet marketers. The only browser you should use for internet marketing. You see, the big internet companies are tracking you. They are using dozens of tricks to identify you and connect all your IDs together. It's called browser fingerprinting. Through it, they know that it's you, even if you log out, clear your cookies, and log in again from a different account. Thanks to browser fingerprinting, they can detect you even over VPNs and proxies. They always know it's you. You can't prevent them because the browsers, too, are built by them and designed to enable tracking. Use their browsers and you will always be tracked. The only solution is to use a browser built for marketing, a browser that's anti-detect, anti-fingerprinting, and supports multi-login in a secure manner. That's Logii browser. Logii is designed to keep you safe with anti-detection features that protect you from getting fingerprinted. The big sites cannot detect you. Log into multiple accounts at the same time and do all your marketing without any problems. That's right. You could log into many Facebook accounts, YouTube accounts, LinkedIn accounts, or accounts on any other platforms and run your marketing campaigns without a pause. Get more published comments, message more real people, run many ad accounts, and create a bigger impact without getting flagged or removed. Log into social media from 10 or 20 or 50 accounts. With Logii, you can take your marketing or agency to any scale without any limitations. It's great. You can even connect separate proxies to each account. Log in from the UK, for instance, while you're really sitting in the US. Those big sites won't know. Logii is vital for PPC marketers. On Logii, your ad account will always be safe because there's no way to track you and connect your ad accounts together. Run multiple ad accounts for yourself or for your clients. No more getting banned. With Logii, you can join groups or forums and run your marketing campaign without the fear of getting the IDs limited or banned. Overcome the daily marketing limitations put on you by platforms and give your product or service the best exposure possible. If you are running a marketing agency, you need to protect all your clients. One mistake and your entire network of clients may be affected. Imagine your business getting wiped out over a weekend. This has happened to careless marketers before. With Logii, it won't happen to you ever. Protect your agency. Make sure the marketing that you do for one client does not affect all the others. Logii's smart anti-browser fingerprinting features keep every account's data protected from everyone else. The bottom line, if you're an internet marketer, you should do all your marketing on Logii. Do your personal browsing anywhere you want, but for marketing, only Logii. Ready to protect and grow your business faster? Well, you've come to us at the perfect time because Logii browser is on sale and you could grab the best deal if you act right now. That's not all. Today we're giving away a multi-computer license and commercial rights. Use Logii to do online marketing not just for your own business, but also for clients. The commercial license you get today authorizes you to sell services and run ad accounts for others using Logii. You know every business wants to find the perfect leads and clients. Be the person that brings results to them and create a powerful new recurring revenue stream. Don't wait any longer. The offer will not get any better than this. You are protected with our 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you don't like the amazing difference that Logii makes to your business growth, just tell us within 30 days and we will refund all of your money. Don't keep your dreams waiting. Get the most powerful multi-login browser right now. Click on the button below and get instant access to your Logii browser.